Bye.
Here's my pal, Libby, and here's my pal,
Brittany, and we're going to be doing a science experiment, another one. So for this one, we're going to be putting stuff in a jar with a lid, and you'll need some hot water. We tried to find our food coloring. We couldn't find it, but if you wanted to, you could add some food coloring to your water, make it cool. And then you need some hairspray, and last thing, ice cubes or an ice pack. So what we're gonna do, have a look, see here. Okay, be very careful, it's hot, so don't touch. So take your jar, pour some hot water in there. Don't need all of it, so just watch out. This is the part you're gonna have to act fast. Take your hairspray. Okay, spray it in. Whoa, did you see that? Was that cool? Now, the trick, you are going to take an ice pack to accelerate the process. And what we're doing is the warm water in the jar causes the air inside the jar to what? What do you think it does?
make it warm.
So we're heating up the air in here.
Just that if we put the ice pack on there, it might get more frozen.
Good observation. So when the water, some of the water is evaporating into the air. And this evaporation causes the water vapors in the jar. This causes evaporation. Then the warm water and the moist air rose from the surface of the water to the top of the jar. Once it reaches the top of the jar, the warm air begins to cool down. And this is because the ice is on the lid. And this is called, if you observe the cloud carefully, you'll notice that the swirl is happening in the jar. Let's look. Do you notice anything happening?
Yeah, there's like clear water, but it feels warm.
Clear water and it's feeling warm?
Yeah, but
do you notice anything? Look inside though.
See-through.
Yeah, but do you try to look at the clouds or the inside? What's happening?
Operation, and it feels warm.
It does feel warm. Can you feel any swirling though? Maybe let's show the camera.
No.
Look in the camera, right there. Movement? Do you see any movement now?
Yeah.
So, last thing. The swirling is caused by a convection current of warm air rising and cold air sinking. And that's called convection current. So we're going to open up the lid and watch the cloud come out. Are you ready? Yeah. Is it hot?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's like warm, so don't touch. Hot air swirls. Ice pack, super easy to do at home. Ready? Do you want to help me lift it? One. It's gonna kind of whoosh. You ready?
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. Yeah. And then lift it up quick.
Do it.
And then pull it. Do you remember why it's rising? Does it smell nice?
Yeah, it smells like my hair.
It's hairspray. And then look, where did it go?
Warm.
Do you remember where warm air goes? And then connecting it to our kindergarten curriculum, because you're in kindergarten. The motion of objects depend on its properties. So the material of the object is made of affects the object's movement. Don't touch anything. It's my notes. Okay, can you say thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching.
And before we go, we think it's important that you only make stuff when you are in a positive mindset. So if you're not feeling good or feeling up to this week, just relax, strengthen up, and only make things when you're feeling happy, right? I love you. Thanks for always doing this with me. Say bye.